Welcome to Ask and Learn.
When you're solving question like this, you must use the appropriate formulas. For example, in this case, we know that charge is kept constant. So let's write energy stored in capacitor E in terms of charge. When you write it that way, it is half Q square divided by C. So in this case, only thing that is changing is C here. So let's find out the capacitance initially. That is when the radius was not triple. So, from the book of Giancoli, you can find out the capacitance formula for cylindrical capacitor is given by 2 pi epsilon naught L divided by natural log of outer radius divided by inner radius. This is initial capacitance. Now, the final capacitance is equal to 2 pi epsilon naught L divided by natural log of 3 times Ra divided by Rb. Now the question asks by what factor the energy stored will change, that is, final energy divided by initial energy. And in this case, since we know that the charge is constant, the factor of half is constant, the only thing that matters is capacitance ratio. See that it's inversely proportional to capacitance when the charge is constant. Now, let's use the capacitance here. When we did the capacitance here in step 1 and step 2, we know that 2 pi epsilon naught L is constant. So only thing that matters is denominator of capacitances. So let's write them out. Three times Ra divided by Rb, natural log of that divided by natural log of Ra divided by Rb. So this is greater than 1. So this is the factor by which energy changes. So this is for the part A. Now the part B asks us to find out the energy change when the voltage is kept constant. So let's write energy in the form in which voltage is involved, half CV square. So now see that the capacitance is in numerator. So if you take the ratio final energy divided by initial energy, capacitance is directly proportional. So Cf divided by Ci, which is equal to natural log of Ra divided by Rb divided by natural log of 3 times Ra divided by Rb, which is less than 1. So if you use appropriate formulas, you can solve this question easily.